Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Incognito mode in YouTube on your phone. So today I'll be showing you how to go incognito in your YouTube. So there's two ways to do it. So the first one is the browser. Of course, many people knows that you can use your browser to go incognito mode, but nobody knows that you can use or you can just go to the YouTube app and go incognito. This is very useful if you don't want your friends knowing what you're watching, or you just want to watch a Game of Thrones movie and your mama and papa don't want you to watch those. So yeah, this is very useful. So on the bottom right, click on you on your profile, and once you're here, just on the top you will see switch account, Google account, and just swipe it to the right, and there you go. You will see turn on incognito. So we're gonna try it. If it turns black, the video's ended. So let's go. We're gonna turn it on incognito, and there we go. It's in incognito mode. It's same as the YouTube, but there's no history and there's no for you page here. So yeah, there you go. So let's go back. Oh, there we are. Now we are back. So yeah, I hope you guys like the video and I hope you guys enjoyed. And a little tip for you guys when you're using incognito mode. The best way to use the incognito mode is by using your data, not your Wi-Fi. If you're trying to be more secretive, because when you're using a Wi-Fi, it's the Wi-Fi or the person who holds the Wi-Fi can see what you are watching, even if you're incognito. But yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed and I hope you guys like the video. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.